I've got a quick haul for you. So, dress over there. So, first of all, I got this little cute photo. And it's an advertisement for Pears soap. See, for Pears. A little kid jumping in a tub, using a little footstool. So I quite like the Pears soap bit, not the whole. So I got this to go in my bathroom. I got myself a hairdryer. This bit comes off, but I thought, because my hair is quite crinkly, I thought this was quite good. So see if I can make my hair more naturally curly. I think it's classed as a wavy my hair, but I'm not entirely sure. I've got this from my nephew. It is a Xbox mug. It goes hot and cold depending what you put on it. And if you know, B&M, if you guys want one of those. I got myself some Stitch socks because they're cute as fuck. Little ears. So I got myself that. Little cute Stitch socks. And then I got myself a dress from Dig for Vintage. Link will be down below. So this is a 1940s original dress. So let's see. Now this is size 10, or it's meant to be. So that's what it's meant to look like. But I'll try it on and show it to you. Body's very up and down, very man inspired. Good thing this is a 10 because this is quite tight around the belly, but it's quite nice and it's thick. Just needs a good wash, I think. But yeah, this is my 1940 dress. You know, that was in the war and had to be, you know, shaped. So yeah, this is my 1940s dress.